Let's transform your Shopify pages from ordinary to extraordinary by mastering the art of assigning custom templates. First things first, log into your Shopify admin and head over to Online Store. Then click on Pages. This is where you'll find all the pages currently in your store. Now, choose the specific page you want to customize by clicking on its title. This action will bring you into the page editor. On the right-hand side of your screen, you'll notice a section labeled Theme Template. This is the key to unlocking custom layouts. Click on this drop-down menu. You'll see a list of all the templates that are currently available within your active Shopify theme. These are predestined layouts that can dramatically change how your page looks. Select the template that best suits the content and aesthetic you want for this particular page, for example. If you have a product page, you might choose a template designed for showcasing multiple images and detailed descriptions. Once you've made your template selection, don't forget to click the Save button. Usually located at the top right of the page, this is crucial to apply your changes. And just like that, your page has been transformed. You can now preview your store to see the new layout and design in action, ensuring it perfectly matches your vision and enhances your customers' experience. Remember, you can repeat this process for any page in your Shopify store, giving you granular control over the look and feel of every single section. Master your Shopify page templates for a truly stunning store.